and welcome. Did you guys check out episode 1 of my new series? I am doing a series where I do not use any blue acrylic paints, and I'm also not using acrylic paints that have blue undertones. This is the painting that I did yesterday, so it is almost 100% dry. Yesterday I used an orange, primary yellow, an aqua rose, and then nephthol red light. I did some more research yesterday and come to find out that the aqua rose, or I'm sorry, the neon pink has a blue undertone. So fun fact, and you can actually see it a bit right here in this corner. You can see where that blue undertone shows up against that black. But I just wanted to show you guys that all the other colors that I used were completely fine. They had no blue undertones, but it's just a learning experience, and that's exactly what most of fluid art is about. Okay, let's get into today's painting. Here are the colors that I'm gonna use. Another fun fact that I have for you is that titanium white, or some whites have, not titanium white, some whites do have blue undertones. Let me know in the comments if you can guess what colors it takes to mix white. Do not use Google. I want you guys to use your brain, use whatever color theory you already have, you already know, and let me know in the comments, okay? So I'm gonna get started. Episode 2 of this series, I'm using more earthy tones. And this is a Terra Rossa by Studio Acrylics. I'm just gonna do a straight pour. I'm just gonna put some titanium buff here, but I'm just gonna put some white there, and then I'll let that magic happen on its own. If I need more paint, I'll add it. Okay? Let's get started. I'm gonna stretch it out now. Where do I want to go? Let's go this way. These colors, very fall. And I love the fact that I added different color around. I am gonna have to stretch that some more. Let's flip it around. And I would like more cells to pop up. Let's see, that's kind of already starting. I'm gonna lose all of that. Yep, actually, I'm just gonna lose it all, to be honest. Most of it, rather. Why you always want to make sure you have extra paint, because sometimes the paint may not reach all the way over there, so you'll have to compromise the composition in order to get the paint to stretch over there, or if you just have additional paint, you can just add to it. Okay. I'm really liking these colors a lot. I am. Love this Terra Rossa the best. This is probably like my new favorite fall color. I wish I did have some cells popping up. I just wished I had a little bit more. I'm missing my cells these days, man. Like sometimes I get them really good and sometimes I don't. So I'm gonna have to work on my recipe. I would have loved for the Terra Rossa to stay dark, but I am noticing that if that is the case, especially if I'm going to do like a cup layering, then I do not add the white in my cup layering process. Just add all the other colors and then I will be perfectly fine. But this is absolutely amazing. And for episode 3, I'm not really sure exactly what color combination I will be using. So we'll see. I really like this. I really like this a lot. And I will bring you down for a close-up. Here it is. Oh my gosh. Y'all, I am really loving this painting. I love the Terra Rossa with the copper. Oh my gosh. And that is copper. I don't know why it's looking a little darker on camera. But, and then that's gold there. And then the titanium buff and the titanium white. So, yeah. Okay, I'll show you what it looks like when it dries. Thank you for watching.